Good Thursday morning to you. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich, and this is your outlook for November 20th, 2014. And we're going to have a nice, mostly sunny day today again, and looks like it's going to have a stretch of that straight through at least Saturday, where we're going to have the mostly sunny conditions. Still dealing with the lake effect snow and heavy snows up here in the Buffalo area. That area is just getting pounded. Of course, this is between Erie and Buffalo. We're still expecting these persistent snow bands to come in off of Lake Erie. So they will be dealing with the heavy snow there, but also down, also further north up here by the Watertown area here, they're also going to get into it big time this time as well. So still dealing with some very heavy snow, nowhere to put it, and just be thankful we don't have a lake next to us, or maybe you're regretting not having a lake if you're a snow lover. But if you see some of these pictures, you'll see why this is really not a good situation for those guys up there. So here we're just dealing with mostly sunny conditions and clear skies at night, which allow temperatures to drop back once again. Nice chilly mornings again. I shouldn't say chilly, should be actually downright cold, with temperatures down near 20 degrees or maybe into the teens in some areas overnight tonight again. As we get into Friday, we're going to have this area high pressure here that's going to move basically from the Ohio Valley. It's going to anchor itself right over top of us here, and that's going to be for later Friday evening. It'll be sitting right over top of us, and then it's going to sink off to the southeast after this point. So once we do that, will allow us to warm a little bit. But because it's in this position on Friday, the northwest flow is going to allow for temperatures to cool down a little bit. Again, so we're going to warm up today a little bit, up close to either side of 40 degrees, and depending where you are, it could be in the lower 40s down here by Philadelphia and South Jersey, and probably still remaining in the mid to upper 30s here up north here. But as we get into Friday, the temperature is going to drop a couple degrees here, down maybe about 4 or 5 degrees from what they were on today into Friday. So just with that northwest flow, until this high pressure will be sitting right over top of us again later Friday, and then you see it sinks off to the southeast and off the southeastern U.S. coastline. So that Saturday we'll have a return flow around this high pressure, is going to allow for some southwesterly winds to start kicking in, and that will allow temperatures to rise once again. So Saturday is probably going to be a carbon copy of today. So as far as temperatures are concerned across the area here. And then we go a little bit further here. This is a look at Saturday night. The GFS is actually putting some rain up into this area here. And again, this is going to be a really bad situation for these guys up here that have all this snow. You're going to have a very rapid warm-up here, it looks like, and some rain that's going to move in for Saturday night overnight, but also for Sunday night. And we're going to get into some of that overnight Sunday night too, but we're not dealing with 5 feet of snow on the ground, or 5, 6, 7 feet of snow on the ground. So not the same kind of situation here. But the GFS is starting to bring this now down a little bit of precipitation into our coverage area here as well, in the very far northern areas. We'll have to keep an eye on that, but I think most of it stays into New York State during your day or overnight Saturday night. So as we get into Sunday, this system is going to move up through Chicago here. So we're watching the next one coming through here. It's going to plow up through Chicago. This is all a warm front that's out ahead of this here, and this is all warm air advection induced rainfall as this is moving off to the northeast. So we probably get a 4 to 6 hour band of rain here come through here on Sunday night again, but we're not going to be dealing with the problems here with the rainfall. Problems are going to be up here in this area here. You're on the warm side of this area of low pressure here. We're dragging all this warm air in here with all the snow up here. Again, really big problems here, but we're going to be dealing with somewhere around a ½ inch of rain or something like that across our coverage area, and all liquid, nothing frozen here. And again, this is a warm air advection induced, so it means where your temperatures are going to increase as we get into Sunday, and that's going to increase even more here on Monday. Here's a look at Monday. Looks like the showers move out here pretty early, and then you might actually turn out to be a pretty nice day. But we still have this. We still have the southerly flow here, southwesterly flow. So you're going to be very warm here on Monday across our coverage area. Temperatures are going to be up into the 60s, maybe even 70s. Down here in Delaware and South Jersey, might hit 70 degrees. Not out of the question. We'll continue to watch that. The models are not in a total agreement on how warm it gets on Monday, but we'll keep an eye on that one. And then we might have another chance of some showers here in the Tuesday time frame here, but it's going to be a little bit cooler, then temperatures dropping back a little bit, so not quite as warm on Tuesday. So We'll keep an eye on all this the precipitation. Looks like we're going to get an active period again once we get into later in the weekend, but in the meantime, we're going to be mostly sunny, it looks, through at least Saturday. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich. That is your outlook for November 20th, 2014. Have a great Thursday.